Hi, this is the unboxing of the Noise Tune Active Bluetooth wireless headset. There is not much information on the box itself, so let's open this one up. Pull it out like so, and there. You can now see the headset. You will notice that this one is a neckband style headset with hot red cables. There are some extra silicone earbuds in a packet. There seem to be a lot of them. Let's keep them on one side. There's also a micro USB charging cable for when you have to recharge the device. Now let's pull out the earphones gently. As we mentioned earlier, this is a neckband style headphone. There are two modules at the two ends. One of them has a 3-button remote used to control music. There is also a micro USB charging slot right next to the remote. The headphones have curved silicone wingtips for secure grip. They also seem to be at an angle, a deliberate choice to make sure that it is a comfortable fit. Also, the headphones come with a magnetic lock. They can snap together when not in use. And that's all you will find in the box containing the Noise Tune Active Bluetooth wireless headset. Thank you for watching.